Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, October 20th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, as usual, gold is definitely trading with the trend is definitely the best strategy. This morning, I said that maybe it was going to go down and make a wave C, but I definitely wouldn't take that trade because more than likely, what it was going to happen, it was going to make higher highs, higher lows. Look at these swings: higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Not one time was there a breaker structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level telling you that you should still be doing nothing but looking for logs in an uptrend. Like I've been saying on the daily time frame, my full top-down videos, there is a chance that this trend is not even close to being over. So we definitely want to continue to trade with the trend. If it goes up, it makes like a double top, then goes all the way down and takes out this low right here with momentum. That is what would turn me into a seller. Otherwise, I would definitely be looking at anything I see to the downside as likely more than just an opportunity to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.